Hello, it's Jordy from Mercedes-Benz Saskatoon, your factory order specialist. I wanted to give you guys an update on the GLE that you guys have factory ordered. So right now we're in a bit of a holding pattern as we have submitted all the options and the packages that you guys want to be built. However, this build has not locked in and gone into production yet. So one of the main questions whenever we do a factory order, people ask is, when will my Mercedes arrive? So let's break it down here for you. Let's talk timing. Once your Mercedes-Benz enters full production, we get the VIN number, we get solid production and delivery dates, and then it triggers everything. We get your invoice, we get your transport schedule, and we get your first estimated arrival window. So from factory, it heads either then to the rail yard or to port, into Canada, clears inspections, then makes its way right here to Saskatoon. We track every step for you, and we will update you for each milestone that it hits. So if you have any questions or if you are interested in ordering your own vehicle, please don't hesitate to go to the website mercedes-benz.ca and do the build and price and then send your builds in, or swing by the store and we can walk you through the whole entire ordering process and find the right vehicle for you.